So the biggest problem that we have in the world right now is there's too much noise. There's too much happening on social media. There's too many influencers. There's too many gurus overpromising and under-delivering. For you guys though, what do you think is going to change this? It's going to be standing up for yourself and not paying that $3,000 for a course that never works. It's going to be not listening to every single person selling something different. You're going to have to take control and actually start managing your destiny. Now, there are thousands of ways to make money online, thousands. But if you try to do every single one of those ways, you're going to make no money. You got to get focused, stick with one idea, and don't give up until it's succeeded. Then start doing more. If you guys are interested, I teach affiliate marketing and I do it for free on YouTube. Send me a DM or comment AFM and I'll send you over a free tutorial that you can use to get started.